Hello, and happy to see you here. As you know, this is one among a series of breakfast recipes for the weight loss diet plan. And so, this time is a smoothie recipe. This smoothie is nutritious, tasty, and delicious, and you would definitely love it making again and again because it's low in calories and serves a lot of nutritional benefits. Let's quickly get to the process of making this breakfast smoothie. The first ingredient of the smoothie is the avocado, which in itself is a superfood. Though avocados are considered a tropical fruit, but these days they are available almost everywhere. And so, whenever they are in season, do make good use of them in your diet. Avocado is a good source of oleic acid, which is believed to reduce hunger, prevent overeating, and keep you satisfied for a longer time. Again, being low in calories and high in macronutrients, avocados are a good option for a healthy weight loss. Take ripe avocados, then simply prep them and drop them into a blender jar. Our next ingredient is the sweet melon, also known as the honeydew melon. As like the look, it is packed with a lot of health benefits. Being part of melon, it has a high water content and is low in calories and a good source of the antioxidants. So, again, a great option for a weight loss diet. You can easily add them in your salads or simply blend them in your smoothie recipes. Now, this recipe stands for one serving size, so plan accordingly if you want to make more. Here I'm using a quarter portion of the sweet melon. Prep them and cut them to small pieces and drop them into the blender jar. Actually, these two ingredients are quite enough, but if you want a touch of sweetness, you can add few drops of honey as well. That's it, then simply blend them smooth. Also, here's a quick note to inform you that very soon after this breakfast series, we would be heading forward to share with you the lunch recipes for a healthy weight loss diet plan. So stay tuned with us and do let us know in the comments below if you have any doubts or queries. And yes, serve yourself with this avocado melon smoothie for your breakfast, along with some dry fruits or nuts for a healthy source of protein as well. And have a great weight loss journey ahead. Also, I would like to remind you that there are few other breakfast recipes which are suitable for a healthy weight loss already shared in this channel, and there is a link to the whole playlist in the description below. Do check them out, and I hope that it's gonna help you each day of your diet regime. Thank you for being with us, and would love to see you soon in our next video.